Hey, what do you think would be an absolutely ridiculous amount of money to make on YouTube or Amazon or whatever it is your online hustle is, if you have one? For me, that number is $80,000 in a month. And that might sound oddly weird, oddly specific to you, but there's a story behind it, and I'll tell you what it is. So when I first got monetized, my first YouTube channel got monetized back in 2021. I was crunching numbers, I was thinking through possibilities, and I was getting excited about it. And I went up to my wife and said, "Hey, you can't believe how much money I've already made on YouTube." It was something small back then. It was like the first month I got monetized was like $300 or so, 330. But I said, "But if we continue growing at the rate that we've been growing, then eventually we can make $80,000 in a month." And she looks at me and said, "There's no way. There's no way you can make $80,000 in a month on YouTube." And I looked back at my numbers, and I had put the zero in a wrong place, and it was like $8,000 a month, which that itself would be awesome. That would be crazy significant. In fact, if you make $8,000 every month for a year, you would make about $96,000, just shy of six figures. So that's a great goal. I have that goal still. In fact, if you watch my shorts on my channel, I'm actually making a six figures in a year challenge right now, challenging myself to make six figures in 1 year. So a goal to get to that would be about $8,000 or $8,300 in a month. Anyway, all that being said, every once in a while, my wife and I will still laugh about how the fact that I thought I could make $80,000 a month on YouTube. Now, that is possible. I'm not saying that's out of the realm of possibility. Maybe not for myself anytime soon, but there are people on YouTube who make $80,000 in a month, which is just insane because that's actually close to seven figures. That's $960,000 in a year. And some YouTube channels do make that much, make even more than millions of dollars in a year. But to me, that would be a ridiculous amount of money to make in a year. Now, would I love to see it? Absolutely. But I also think that money shouldn't necessarily be our goal. Money is just a tool. Money helps us to have the things that we want to have, to live the lifestyle that we want to live, and then ultimately to give to others, to help other people the way that we've also been helped by so many other people in our past. Money is just a tool. But I do think it is funny to think through the possibilities of how much is too much, how much money is just ridiculous to think about. And I think that's not necessarily the goal, but I sure would laugh if I made that much money. What's the number for you? Take care. We'll see you again next time.